Hi, welcome to Health PH, your channel for wonderful tips about health. Here are natural remedies for bad breath. 1. Good oral hygiene. According to research studies, poor dental hygiene is the most common cause of bad breath. Preventing plaque buildup is the key to maintaining a healthy mouth. You should brush your teeth using a fluoride toothpaste for 2 minutes at least twice per day, morning and night. Some people find that brushing after every meal is necessary to prevent decay and bad breath. To prevent bacteria from growing on bits of food stuck in your teeth, floss at least once per day. Bacteria can also accumulate on the tongue, causing a foul smell. A practice known as tongue scraping can help you remove this thin layer of film. Using your toothbrush or a specialized tongue scraper, brush or scrape your tongue at least once per day. 2. Pineapple. Many people believe that pineapple juice is the quickest and most effective treatment for bad breath, though only anecdotal reports suggest that it works. Drink a glass of organic pineapple juice after every meal, or chew on a pineapple slice for 1 to 2 minutes. It's also important to remember to rinse your mouth of the sugars in fruit and fruit juice afterward. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell on for instant updates whenever we have a newly uploaded video. 3. Water. Research shows that mouth dryness often causes bad breath. Saliva plays a very important role in keeping your mouth clean. Without it, bacteria thrive. Your mouth naturally dries out while you sleep, which is why breath is typically worse in the morning. Prevent dry mouth by keeping your body hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day will help encourage saliva production. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt contains healthy bacteria called lactobacillus. These healthy bacteria can help combat bad bacteria in various parts of your body, like your gut. Research shows that yogurt may also help reduce bad breath. Probiotics in yogurt are effective in reducing the severity of bad breath. To use yogurt to fight bad breath, eat at least 1 serving per day of plain, non-fat yogurt. 5. Milk. Milk is a well-known cure for bad breath. Research shows that drinking milk after eating garlic can significantly improve garlicky breath. To use this method, drink a glass of low or full-fat milk during or after a meal, containing strong-smelling foods like garlic and onions. 6. Fennel or anise seeds. Since ancient times, fennel and anise seeds have been used to freshen breath. In parts of India, roasted fennel seeds are still used as mouth fresheners, to cleanse after dinner breath. They taste sweet and contain aromatic essential oils that give the breath a fresh scent. Fennel and anise seeds can be eaten plain, roasted, or coated with sugar. 7. Orange. Oranges not only make for a healthy dessert, but they also promote dental hygiene. Many people have bad breath because they don't produce enough saliva to wash away foul-smelling bacteria. Research shows that vitamin C helps increase saliva production, which can help eliminate bad breath. Oranges are rich in this vitamin. 8. Zinc. Zinc salts, an ingredient in certain mouthwashes and chewing gums, can counteract bad breath. Zinc works to decrease the number of sulfurous compounds in your breath. Research has shown that regular rinsing with a solution containing zinc can be effective in reducing bad breath for at least 6 months. Try a zinc chewing gum designed for people with dry mouth. You can also find zinc dietary supplements at your local drugstore, or purchase them online. 9. Green tea. Green tea is an effective home remedy for bad breath. Study shows that green tea has disinfectant and deodorizing properties that can temporarily freshen the breath. Mint has similar effects, so a cup of green mint tea may be an ideal breath freshener. Brew 2 cups of tea before going to bed, and refrigerate it overnight. Pour your cool tea into a water bottle and bring it to work. Slowly sip on it throughout the day. 10 apples. One study found that raw apples have a powerful effect against garlic breath. Certain natural compounds in apples neutralize the foul-smelling compounds in garlic. This is particularly useful for people whose garlic breath lingers, because it neutralizes the compounds in the bloodstream, rather than just deodorizing the mouth. 11 Baking soda. Studies have shown that baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can effectively kill bacteria in the mouth. Research indicates that toothpastes containing high concentrations of baking soda effectively reduce bad breath. To make a baking soda mouthwash, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to 1 cup of warm water. Swish the mouthwash around in your mouth for at least 30 seconds, before spitting it out. 12 Vinegar. Vinegar contains a natural acid called acetic acid. Bacteria don't like to grow in acidic environments, so a vinegar mouthwash may reduce bacteria growth. Add 2 tablespoons of white, or apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of water. Gargle for at least 30 seconds, before spitting it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell on, for instant updates of future health tip videos. Thank you for watching.